Is ChatGPT going to
Yeah.
replace salespeople?
Oh yeah, be terrified. I would be terrified. The biggest impact will be like the white collar knowledge jobs. For those of you who know who Alvin Toffler is, he predicted this like 30 years ago, but now it's really happening. You have to ask yourself, how many coders do I need? How many programmers do I really need, right? Let me go back to Sales Ex Machina, the book. Any job that is repetitive or duplicatable that I can just like, hey, just do this for me, is going to be AI'd out, right? It's only the stuff that the AI can't do. So I would ask myself, if I had a job right now, is it, can the AI do this job in another year or two? Why do I need to talk to a lot of salespeople? If you got a sales force of 20, maybe I just need a sales force of 3 to handle more specific questions that the ChatGPT can't answer. That's where I see the biggest impact. If you're an SDR or BDR, do I think you'll lose your job? I think everybody's going to lose a lot of jobs. I'm not going to say they're going to disappear because that'd be too harsh. Again, if you have 20 people, you might just need 3 to 5 people to handle the call.
A common theme right now that I'm hearing is people are saying jobs aren't going to disappear. Well, the only people who are going to lose their jobs are the people who aren't using AI. I don't even think that's true, unless you're a specialist, really, unless you're a Victor Antonio. A lot of people are going to be in a situation where AI is going to beat them. It's going to be generating more revenue. There's no need to keep a person like that.
Yeah, what I think is interesting is people who are holding on to an old model. When the computer came along, we're going to say the computer is going to replace some jobs, which it did, but it didn't replace them, it displaced them. 10 people lost their job because we started using computers, but now the manufacturing opportunity opened up over here to build more computers, so we had a different skill set, so the jobs were displaced somewhere else, right? And so that was almost like a zero-sum game. Win some here, lose some there, zero sum. I don't think that's going to exist with this because you're not going to displace them, you're going to really replace them. And I think people who keep holding on to the old model of displacement don't see what's coming. This is different. This is not like the other technology disruptions. This is like different. You need a new model for this, that I think that we haven't invented yet in terms of understanding the impact, the ripple effect of what this is about to do.